goodness. It's hot and sweaty. Okay. All right. Now, you kneel down in the garden. You kneel down in the garden. You kneel down in the garden. Give proper praise. Tell me how well that works on your knees. Let's get to practicing now. Hello, and welcome to Dragonflower Gardens. I want to thank all my returning subs. You guys are awesome. And for all of you that are new, welcome, 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 welcome to the garden. You guys, it's been a minute. I had to take some time off because this time of year is really busy for me. So I'm here, I'm back, and we're going to go ahead and turn the time over to another fellow warrior in a garden. And they're going to talk to us about potatoes, when to harvest, how to harvest, and if you have any questions, you drop that right there in the box, and we'll just go from here. Let's begin. All right, fellow warrior in a garden, the time is yours.
Hi, it's Lynn. Hi, and I'm Sly, and today we are going to harvest our potted russet potatoes. So, here's our pot that we're going to be harvesting today, and the appeal to doing it in a pot, like for us with the soil, we have problems with cutworms and things, so it just turns out better for us in a pot. And also this is a good method if you don't have a big yard or a place where you can make garden rows. You know, you could do this on your porch or patio. So it's kind of the appeal. So here we've grown our potatoes in a 24-inch pot. It's a resin barrel. And the seed potatoes that I've used they're just leftovers from some store-bought potatoes that were bought last year, where we didn't use all the potatoes in a bag. I think that there's 2 or 3 potatoes in here. So what I did was just save them in a paper bag. You want to store them in a cool, dry place. And it's important if you're using store-bought potatoes that they're organic. Non-organic potatoes probably will not grow. So, and as you can see, the stalks are good and dead. You want there to be die-off before you harvest. Actually, I probably could have harvested these last week, but there's nothing wrong with leaving them in the soil until you're ready for harvest. They'll preserve just fine that way. So if you're new at planting potatoes, it's a real simple thing. What you want to do is put about 4 to 6 inches of soil in the bottom, and then we put in our seed potatoes and cover them with soil and compost about 3 or 4 inches. And then as the green tubes come through and pop through the soil, then you do the same thing, cover another 3 or 4 inches until the barrel's full. And actually with this we have harvested some off the top already, but today we're gonna see what else we have in here. So hopefully our harvest did good.
Lately it's been difficult to find organic russet potatoes in the store, so hopefully we did a great job because I love potatoes. Here's the moment of truth.
Okay, so we're trying not to lose our soil because around here soil is a precious resource. Let's see. Oh, get some in here.
Wow, look at that.
Should we just dump?
Dump! Dump it!
It's too heavy for me to just dump it all at once.
Wow, look at all that soil.
Which we'll try to preserve. We can reuse it in our next crop or in other things. Let's get a receptacle to gather our potatoes. There, I'm just sifting out the soil so we can see what we got. Of course, I want to save every drop of soil here because we'll reuse it. Still looking nice and rich. Alright, so we've cleared most of the soil away and got it back in the pot for reuse. And this is our harvest. They're a little bit on the smaller side, although the seed potatoes that we used, the bag I bought, the average size was like this. So it would have been nice to have a little more, but we're thankful for everyone that we have. Well, there you have it. That's our potato harvest. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to
keep on growing!
Thank you for watching Dragonflower Gardens. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll get back to you promptly. If you have any concerns, keep that to yourself. No, I'm just teasing. Let us know that one too. All right? Thank you for watching Dragonflower Gardens. I want to extend my appreciation to those other fellow warriors in the garden. And remember to keep on growing.